We've also got another tiny little tornado warning up here for Gary, in Indiana. This is Lake County, Indiana. Take shelter in Gary. This is a very populated area, obviously. And we've got a decent area of rotation coming up past Rolling Hill Estates up towards Ross, and then it's going to move right into Gary here. So we need everybody to take shelter in Gary, Indiana. Tornado possible, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Crawfordsville and Waynetown. That's going to go on for the next 32 minutes. Get ready for 70-mile-per-hour winds. And yeah, this one looks pretty nasty here. Tornado on the ground.
Ryan, I need you pretty quick.
Doing damage near Simpson. Let me pull up the mesoscale here. I think that if this is still on the ground, which we believe that it is likely somewhere near the Covey Airport. And oh my goodness, what in the world? And it's moving up in the direction of Reynoldsburg and Ozark. And it's also kind of getting close to places like Fern Cemetery, Cedar Lake Campground, and Camp Ondesonk. So lots of campgrounds, lots of forested like park areas out here. Hopefully the people are aware of what's going on. This does go all the way out to Equality and Eddyville. Go ahead, Brad.
Ryan, we may have a significant tornado in progress east of Calhoun City.